Hi, I will show you how to create iridescent rainbow glass material on Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I already prepared the monkey object and the background here. Now I change the render engine to B-cycle and then go to remesh and subdivide the monkey so the object would be much smoother. Now we are going to the viewport display and we are going to turn 0 on the background and set your backdrop into full black. Now we go to shader editor, delete the principal BSDF and prepare all the necessities nodes here. You can copy what I have prepared here and every number of it. Now I will connect them all. And make sure you are not misplace any one of them because the result would be much different. On each refraction BSDF, I will change the color to red, green, and blue. And I will also tweak all the number. On the glass BSDF, change the setting into backman. You can also tweak the IOR. And then we're going to add a few area lights until it triggers the prism rainbow color. Remember, the more lights you add, the more color that will be pop out. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!